In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add Calendar Widget on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning. And the first off, we need to long press on our home screen to activate that mode, and after that tap right here at this plus button. After that we need to scroll down until we find calendar, or we can just search for a calendar to make it easier to find it. And once we get into it, we'll be able to select one of these widgets. We can add any of these widgets to our home screen, or we can add several ones. Let's say I would like to add that one, and all I have to do is just tap at that button, and that will place this widget on my home screen. We can change the order of these widgets. Also, we can place it at another home screen if we drag it to another one. For some reason it doesn't happen for the first time. And then once it is done, tap at done to save it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.